Hello, welcome to My Life is Math Learn channel. Today we will discuss about defined integration April 4th shift 2 paper.
Now we are discussing about 20th problem. Here the integral of 0 to 1 cot inverse I will change as a tan inverse. Tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus x square I will write as a x into 1 plus x. Now it is a formula like I will add x minus x. Suppose this is a, this is b. So the formula tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. So I will use the formula integral of 0 to 1 tan inverse a means 1 plus x dx minus integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. So it is the formula. Integrating both sides. Before doing integrating, 1 plus x is equal to u. So dx is equal to du. X is equal to 0, u is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, u is equal to 2. So now replace the values. Integral 1 to 2 tan inverse u du minus integral tan inverse x dx. It is 0 to 1 limits. So now integration and integration. While you integrate integration, this is tan inverse. There is no formula, so you can use the uv formula. Here 1 integral 1 u du is equal to u into tan inverse of u limits 1 to 2 plus tan inverse differentiation integral 1 to 2 1 by 1 plus u square integral 1 du u du minus same the formula x into tan inverse of x limits 0 to 1 it is minus, sorry, it is minus minus. Okay, now minus of minus plus plus integral of 0 to 1 tan inverse differentiation 1 plus x square and integral of 1 dx x. Now I will multiply 2 and divide 1 by 2. So apply limits. First 2 tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Integration. It is a 2u f dash of x 1 plus u square f of x f dash of x by f of x logarithm of minus logarithm of 1 by 2 before there 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 logarithm of 1 plus u square limits 1 to 2 minus 1 tan inverse of 1 minus of minus plus x is 0 into anything 0, so no need of write. Next plus 1 by 2 log it f dash of x by f of x logarithm of 1 plus x square limits 0 to 1. So 2 tan inverse 2 tan inverse 2, it is pi by 2 pi by 4, sir. Minus pi by 4. 1 by 2. Apply 2 first. Log 1 by 2 logarithm of 5. Base E. Apply 1. Minus of minus plus. Logarithm of 1 by 2. Logarithm of it is 2. Tan inverse 1. It is pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. 1 by 2. Logarithm of apply 1. Apply 0. Log 1 0. So minus 0. Now 2 tan inverse of
2
tan inverse of 2 pi by 4 minus pi by 5 minus pi by here 1 by 2 here 1 by 2 here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 common log of here 5. So after taking minus common, it is the minus log x minus log y formula 5 by 2. Same way here also after minus common, here minus log x minus y formula, denominator will come 2 into 2 minus y by 8. There is equal to 2 tan inverse of 2 minus 1 by 2 logarithm of 5 by 4 minus pi by 8. So the option 2 tan inverse of minus 1 by 2 5 by 4 minus 5 by 2. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, it is pi by 2, sorry. Pi by 2. Okay, option 4 is the right answer.